How to activate Google Fi eSIM on iPhone. Well, it's pretty simple and a quick process, so without any further delay, let's jump right into the video. You need to start by heading over to the settings of a device. Once you're inside the settings, you need to move into cellular. In this page at the bottom of the screen, you can see the option of Add eSIM. All you gotta do is click on it and wait for a while for it to load. Once you're in this page, you need to click on Use QR code. It will open up your camera. Well, if you have the QR code, then you can simply scan it. But in case if you don't have it, click on Enter Details manually. Now you will need to enter SMTP address, activation code, and also confirmation code. The confirmation code is required if it has been provided by a carrier. So once you've entered all the details, tap on Next at the top right corner. Follow the on-screen process and then your Google Fi SIM will be activated. So that's wrap for this video. If this video helped you out, give it a like and check out our next tutorial. Thank you.